Any kind of wacky thing we come up with that we want, they usually can figure out how to do it. Alaffia is a company that personal care products like shampoos and soaps and lotions and things like that, where the raw materials are sourced from countries in like West Africa, where our founder is originally from.
Getting things out of West Africa is challenging, and we're also not really ideally located for importing things from West Africa, because once it hits the US, it has to be trucked all the way across the country.
They provide the connection between our main system, which is NetSuite, and Power BI. They make sure that the results are accurate and they tick and tie to all of our financials. The biggest one, the one that pretty much is used company-wide, is when we call our sales analysis dashboard. And there are several tabs in it, and it just basically slices and dices our sales, by any way you want to look at it. Customer, product line,
revenues, cost of sales, trade spend, margins, freight, in dollars and percentages, and then we can sort it and look for anomalies. We could probably pull it from NetSuite, but it would take a long time and a lot of work, whereas with Power BI, you pull it up, you may click on a couple things to sort from highest to lowest or something like that, but it takes minutes versus probably a couple hours. We had to pull it and sort it and do everything we needed to do out of NetSuite.